All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Thomas's Cb7.
Yeah.
Cb7 Accord. The suspension is getting completely overhauled. We're doing some custom work because other stuff is they don't make them for this or whatever. I don't know. We're fixing the fitment. We're also installing BC racing coilovers. Welcome to Pibb Boys.
Nice and tight. Not bad for a swap. Even with no roll, that's pretty dang good. Sitting just